Okay.
Hi, I'm Hannah. Watch this. Some guys are there.
The keys are right there in your pocket. Who's there?
So, red car.
So what? Who cares?
Here, go. Open them.
You're gonna climb in through the window? Mind you guys, we're on that floor and she just climbed up a whole mountain like that. You gonna come in?
No.
How do you open this?
Ready?
Selena, how you open this again? You gonna come in?
Yeah.
Coming?
Wait, no. There's two times.
Just come in, who cares?
What if they get me in trouble?
For what? For climbing up a freaking snow mountain and into the window?
Yeah.
There she goes again.
Help me.
Careful. I can't if I'm holding the camera. Whoa, you're dirtying my whole window.
It's okay. It's okay.
Alright, so there you go. You're in, Hannah. Great video. Thanks. Close the windows, cold.
I'm going to do it again.